Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make eggless oats cookie. In a big bowl, save the white flour first, like this. Also baking soda and baking powder and salt. Save everything like this. Now mix the oats in the white flour. And crush with your hand like this and mix properly. And now put sugar in there and mix. And now put vanilla essence. Mix properly. And now put oil in the flour and mix properly. After putting oil, mix properly everything. And now add milk. Slowly add the milk in the flour and mix it properly. The cookie mixture should be crumbly, but you should able to make a ball by your hand. Now the cookie mixture is ready. Now we are going to shape a cookie. Take a small part of the cookie mixture and make a ball like this. And then press gently in your palm and roll by the finger like this. We have to make all the cookies like this. Now all cookies is prepared. Now we will put chocolate chips in the cookies. We'll put 2 or 3 chocolate pieces in the each cookies. Like this we will put chocolate chips in all the cookies. All the cookies are prepared now. We will bake these cookies on 350°F for 10 to 12 minutes or until the bottom part of the cookie will turn to the light golden brown. Now we will prepare the cookie for the pan baking. We'll repeat the same process like that. We'll put raisin in this cookie instead of chocolate chip. You can even put the chocolate chips here also. Like this we will put raisin in all the cookies. Our cookies are prepared now. Now we will bake this cookie in a frying pan. In a hot frying pan we will place one stand. And now we will put the cookie pan in the frying pan like this. Cover the frying pan with the lid. Close the hole of the cover by putting aluminum foil in there. like this. Now we will bake this cookie on medium heat for 10 minutes. After 6 minutes of baking, we can see the cookies are getting in double size in pan and oven, both one. We'll bake these cookies for 5-6 minutes more. I baked these cookies for almost 13 minutes. Now the oven cookies is done. It's perfectly cooked now. Now we'll let the cookie be cool properly. Then we'll take out the cookie from the pan. Our frying pan cookie is also done. They both took same time to cook. You can see the cookies are cooked properly. The side part of the cookie is golden brown. So it's ready. Now we will take out the cookie pan from the frying pan. This cookie is not hot anymore, so we can take out the cookie from the cookie pan. This oven baked cookie is baked properly. The bottom part of the cookie is light golden brown and the top part is also cooked properly, and this pan baked cookie is also baked properly from both sides. If all the cookies are in normal temperature, so we will put the cookies in the airtight container. You can store this cookie for up to 1 month. This cookie is very yummy and very healthy and very easy to make at home. Please subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Thank you so much.